DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. I don't know when I lab, you know, I go on no crazy reactions and crazy. Bang spawn head top gang, you see me? Today we got Sgee Vehnom, the one I name Pretty Face. You see me? I say Sgee Vehnom is making a little noise, a little buzz. A lot of people been requesting this song lately. You see me? I say gang, so shout out to everybody that have been dropping the requests. Yeah man, we got there with Sgee Vehnom, the one in Pretty Face, and we're gonna check it out. Before we jump right there again, make sure you like and subscribe button. You see me? I say we're on the road to 10k, only 200 away from 7 and 3k away from 10. Trying to get before the year end. You see me? I say gang, help me get. Yo, that would be the best Christmas present. You see me? Our New Year's gift, gang. So help your boy out. Hit the like and subscribe button. You see me? And make sure you know, gang, out there. Make sure every video now make a video count. You know, taking step towards your goals and dreams. You see me? Anything you want, you can achieve. Best believe. You see me? Yeah, man, gang. Today we're there with Sgee Vehnom, the one named Pretty Face. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of requests. So this one is crazy. So yo, we'll check it out and see what I deal with it. You know? Now we'll vibe more stronger. Sgee Vehnom, Pretty Face. Let's get it.
Is that 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍?
You know, mad. Hey, John.
Over X.
Make me piss in your face. Fuck out your throat and bust in your ears. No, I'm mad. When me talk, you fear. When me talk, you fear. Huh?
Wait, what the fuck? Yo, where dog say yo germs? Make you what? Hey, dog, yo, y'all niggas is wildin', dog. Y'all niggas is wildin', boy. When I take this germs thing a bit too far in the dog. But like when Catalan and the guys that say freaky, we don't mean to this extent. You see me that was nasty. Hold on, me that.
You know, mad.
I catch me off guard.
Hey, James, make me piss in your face. Fuck out your throat and bust in your ears. No, I'm mad. When me talk, you fear. When me talk, you fear. Huh? Pretty face, but she devilish. Suck my balls, now me come and swallow everything. And then she take your plan B like medicine. Devil bitch, fuck out your throat, she feel belly ring. Fuck you like a dog and treat you like my enemy.
Bro, what the? I wanna deal with that. Hold on. No, man, no, dog. This ain't freaky, dog. This is just, dog. I just want to deal with man away, dog. That ain't no freaky, dog. You just, nah, that's degrading. What the hell?
All dirty bitch, fuck you like a dog and treat you like my enemy. All germs, dirty bitch.
Fuck you like a dog and treat you like my enemy. What? So, hey, dog, what's going on?
That pillar make me feel like a power.
You don't love man no more, dog. Oh, go on. You love man no be a hate and oh, go on.
Shoot my foot in your hole and shot you be a box. Knock you up on the wall and bust a head back. Come on, girl, you know, man. Come on, take cock. Cocky flood out your mouth. You gonna need dentures. Me no come out for no. Better bring 10 gal. Pronounce I know when me done with that.
Me get the vibe no dog. I mean, no say yo, dog probably say joke around and play around. You see me? You don't know. You have to, you see me and say, you can't, but some people are hear this, some niggas, some youth are hear this and I take it the wrong way and I start, you know, them this and, you know, degrade the girl, them dog. Yo.
The face, but she devilish. Suck my balls, now I come and swallow everything. And then she take your plan B like medicine. Devil bitch, fuck out your throat, she feel belly ring. Fuck you like a dog and treat you like my enemy. You know, mad. All dirty bitch, fuck you like a dog and treat you like my enemy.
Easy woman, because
all germs.
Yo nigga, yo, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Y'all take it a bit too far, but we don't know. You know, the girl don't like the bad man style already. You see me there? You know? The rough style, but these niggas taking it a bit too far.
Fuck a bitch and go sit. Take my cocky, knocky on the nose ring. She have to give me slap it up, I'm a know this.
I go right here. That man. Alright.
Fuck a bitch and go sit. Take my cocky, knocky on the nose ring. She have to give me slap it up, yeah, I know this bad bitch. Suck it chocolate, that's some golden. Oh, you love the artist, I know me. Nah, make me tell her like story. Two Mali pillar get a never roses. Show me a Warren. Pretty face, but
Two Mali pillar get a never roses. Show. Hey. Some of the gyal, you know, they will tell you they prefer the olive and roses. So when you get there, hey, you see me? Whatever work for she, you see me? If they love it, you see me? If they like it, I love it, you see me?
she devilish. Fuck my bars, now I'ma come and swallow everything. And then she take your plan B like medicine. Devil bitch, fuck out your throat, shift your belly ring. Fuck you like a dog and treat you like man.
So you can't play with them girl and a dog, you see me? You can't play with them, you know, brother. Yeah, man. Can you imagine now you have your happy and them deal with that and nigga like, nigga, you can't play with them girl, you see me? Yeah, man, don't joke, don't play.
Oh, mad. All dirty bitch, fuck you like.
Yeah, forget about it, brother, cause yo, nigga. You never, hey, yeah,
Like a dog and treat you like my enemy.
Ah, boy, niggas out here, boy.
Make my peace by your face. Fuck out your throat and bust in your ears.
Alright, what the hell now, dog? What is that for now, bro? Like, certain things, I'm all down for all the darkness and all these things, but certain things is just not. You see me? Yeah, certain things now I agree with.
When I talk you fear, suck your mother, girl.
Yo! Yeah, man. You see me? I'd feed dog style that, you see me? Yeah, so if I say dog, I do them and them like it shit. If they like it, I love it. You see me what I'm saying? But me see dog style though. I'm say dog I deal with, but damn, bro. Yeah, man, dog. Come like someone you tell no woman again, you know. You hate to man, cause you look like somebody, one girl break on heart or something, dog. Cause you not talk these days, dog. I love knowing how not few man them, but I just one style and you know, this up you man them. Started off like, you know, and some you like freak girl, but no I want to take that shit and not twist it and not take it too far, bro. You see me? That's how this up and not degrade the girl them, you see me? But if they're listening and they like it, shit, hey, if they like it, like I said, if they like it, I love you, shit. If they are okay with it, be good, but you know, I'm just saying, when I have to take it that far, you see me what I say? But yeah, man, but yeah, let me say, don't play with them yellow dog. When I do that, you don't play with them, cause next one down, play with them, you know. See your dog, I say? Okay. This nigga say, well, snake girl face on all these things, bro. Nah, nigga, that's nasty. You see me? If she nasty, you're nasty too, cause you're indulging in her act, you know, dog. You see me? There's a difference between liking free girl and a girl that's nasty and just nah know about herself. And you as a nigga that's deal with a girl like, you don't know about yourself either. But anyway, gang. Let me know anything about the one in the comment section, you see me? Still a fun, it's a fun track, don't get me wrong, you know. If you like his song, like his song, don't make me stop if I like the tune, you see me? It's a bad track. Bad artist, bro. You see me, like the production and quality and everything is up there. You see me, just my opinion, like you have to take it there. Yeah, take it to that level or that extent. But yeah, man, bad tune. Sgee Vehnom, big up yourself, my G. You see me, like the one there. We definitely drop your request. You can check out more from him. You see me? And we definitely gonna keep him on the radar. You see me, cause like me say, bad artist, bro, man, very creative. Dog. I look out for more tune from him. You see me, like the one there, I'm just thinking like it's still dark. Listen to the beat and everything. Shot. It's a bad song. You see me, what I say. But yeah, man, give me nothing but the one in the comment section. If I like you, show the artist and love and support, make you know, say, yo, the dance anyway. You see me, what I say? And drop a request so you can get your shout out. Also, gang, you don't know road to 10K already, so hit the like and subscribe button. Help your boy out trying to hit that before the year ends. It'll be the best gift you can give to your boy. You see me, what I say? Also, gang, make sure you're making every day count, man. Make sure you're taking steps towards your dreams and goals. You see me? Make sure you make every day count. You see me, what I say? Keep your eye on the prize. And just, you know, you don't have to make major steps. Those small wins, they add up. You see me? 1% better every day and they add up. You see me, gang? You will get closer. Trust me. You see me? So keep working, keep grinding, keep guarding down the thoughts, keep the faith. You see me? You don't know. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.
I always tell the truth. even when I lie.